Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Yeah, today we're gonna be doing something different. Got myself a little 12-footer Valco aluminum boat, and I noticed that it's over here. I got him upside down. I noticed there was a lot of problems in the bottom of the boat, so we got to get it straightened out, make sure it's waterproof. But anyway, I found some hairlines, on the rivets. I didn't find any here. And here I kind of started welding. I welded some, make sure they're all sealed. Got some over here. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you how to weld them in. And we're gonna put some alumiweld on the ones that that still looks pretty good. Yeah, over here we got some hairline cracks. I still got a few to do, and saved it for this video, but this is what we're looking at. Got some cracks right there. We got some cracks right there. I already cleaned them out. We got some little crack right there. We got to do this one. Over here there was one. I already did it right there. But yeah, we got some indentation here, and this one's out front looks good. I think what we're gonna focus on today is this one right here. Look like we got some cracks right there going across here. Yeah, right there. But anyway, let's get set up. Let's get set up for this, and we'll get back with you here in a few minutes. We're gonna be using Harbor Freight alumiweld, non-fluxed silvers. This is what we got right here. Alumiweld. It comes in this little just little sticks and stuff, you know what I mean, and you just got to get some heat distributed in there. Well, I'll get right to it. I'll be back in a bit. Okay, here we go. We got ourselves some the Benzomatic Map Gas Pro. This is what you need to properly heat up your aluminum. Yeah, you can't use just the regular gas, the propane gas. It's not hot enough. But anyway, you need at least 400 or 500 degrees for this. And so we got here, and we got some alumiweld from Harbor Freight. This is what we got. Let's do it. A little windy today. A little cooler. All right, there we go. We got it lit up. Okay, let's start with this one right here. Just gotta heat up the area pretty good. Kind of pull back on your torch. Heat up that area. And have your alumiweld on your right hand, whichever you're comfortable with your torch. Basically what you're gonna do is just keep hitting that area. Don't overpower the heat, just keep hitting it, and then keep rubbing this aluminum weld right till it's ready. A little windy and cold today, so it might be a little challenging, might take a little more heat, but hey, I prefer to do this indoor, but I got to do some painting here today. You got to keep it out. Yeah, it's getting close, getting closer. You just keep heating it, heating it, heating it. Right around the crack area, right around the rivets. And rub your rod. Not ready yet. You just gotta stay with it, man. Can't give up on this stuff. There you go. Start to flow. See it? Oh, the wind blows. There we go. It starts to flow. Just keep hitting it. There it is, right there. See it? It's flowing now. Don't overpower it. Yeah, don't try to heat your rod. Try to heat the area where your rod's going in, because when it's ready, it's just gonna melt right in. You just gotta rub it. You gotta rub it. Get the heat on it. Yeah, this thing works pretty good, man. This alumiweld that was purchased from Harbor Freight. It works pretty good and it's pretty cheap. You know, I'll tell you what, man. This is right here will make sure that your boat don't leak in the future. Just be careful. Be careful when you're relighting, man. I already tagged myself with it yesterday. There you go. When it die, get right back on there. Get right back on there. The area's still pretty hot. Yeah, make sure this area here is kind of thin on the side. Make sure it sticks to your aluminum. Yeah, this thing is basically, this is a non-flux rod, but I think it's mixed in, hollowed into it, but it seems to be working pretty good. Yeah, check that out, man. There you go. I try to cover that rivet up. All right, there we go. Check that out. Got your finished product right there. Looks pretty good. Just let that cool off and continue on with the rest of them. And later on we'll clean it up and then we're gonna do some painting. Okay, we just got done putting all the JB weld in and welding all the little parts. I got him all sealed up. We just gotta let him dry and we're gonna sand it off and we're gonna put the primer, the etching primer. This is what it looks like. All the vital areas in the boat, every single one. Yeah, there you go. All the seals on the side, the transom area, very important. Everything looks good here. Okay, now we gotta just put on some primer. We gotta let it dry and sand it off, and this is what we're gonna do. Got this self-etching primer, Rust-Oleum. Yeah, I'm gonna put this all on the outside, and then we're gonna paint it with this color right here. This is the Professional, Rust-Oleum Professional. You put it right over the primer, the blue, and then the top part we're gonna put some like egg color, you know, high performance enamel afterwards. Okay, and anyway, I'm kind of excited how this turns out. And what we're gonna do with the inside of the boat, I got it flipped over right now. We're gonna put some of this tough coat. You know, you gotta get the special roller for this. It's got the textured paint anti-slip coating masonry. We got our primer here. We got happens to be pink, and this is the metal primer, the MP10 ultra tough specialty coating. We're using tough coat on the inside. I'm gonna fill it up so it kind of cuts down the noise and helps it seal the boat, and plus it's non-slip. You know, little older folks like me needs to be careful when it's slipping walking around, especially out of water. We got the waves blowing, but anyway, this is what we got. Ordered it on eBay. They're about 80 bucks a can, give and take. And this thing has rubberized coating, little pieces. That's why you need to use this special roll-on brush, roll-on rollers. Anyway, but yeah, we're just gonna wait, let everything dry, and sand it off, clean it off, and prime it. Talk to you then. Okay, here we are. The boat looked like it's pretty dry, clean. I made sure I put some detergent in there to get all the oily stuff, anything like that can cause this to adhere. Anyway, let me put the primer on, and I'll get back with you here as soon as I get it on the boat. Here we go. We're gonna put some primer on the boat. There it goes. It's all primed up. OD green. This is a metal primer. Check that out. Looking pretty snazzy. The next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna put the enamel paint. We got some white one, kind of egg color, and then we're gonna put some blue in there. And I got some decal coming too. I got some fish wreck. I'm gonna put it on there. But anyway, that's what she looks like right now, primed. All it needs to do is paint, and then work on the inside. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I started on a Saturday painting this boat, and now it is Sunday morning here in Texas. I just got done putting in the enamel for the keel, and here it is, enamel blue, looking for good. Looking pretty good. Yeah, we're gonna pull off the tape here real soon. We're gonna pull off the tape and start painting the bottom, and the bottom will be a little lighter color, you'll see. Anyway, I'll get back with you, but this is what it looks like right now. We gotta let it dry up, and this is what we're using right here. professional enamel paint. Yeah, the sun's a little bit bright today, but that's what we're using. That's what we used here. That's the final coat. You got to use the professional enamel coat in your preferred color. That's the only way it's gonna work. But anyway, I'll get back with you when the boat is completely done. But we have some other decals we got to put on. Well, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Third day on the boat. But anyway, we got the paint in there right now. We got the colors that we want. Problem is, we had an overspray. We gotta fix it. We got some stuff to fix it today. That's what we're gonna do, and we're gonna clear coat it today. So tomorrow, I'm gonna start another blog on putting a tough coat on the inside of the boat. But anyway, this is what it looks like right now. You can see all the overspray. Yeah, but that's the color. That's the color we're sticking with. And the bottom one could be a little whiter. And I decided to go get some whiter paint. I'm gonna just put it over. The same kind, professional. Anyway, that's where we're at. And I'll get back with you, and we're gonna continue on and see what it looks like next. Well, there it is, folks. Got it painted. All we got to do now is put some clear coat on it. We're gonna use some crystal clear enamel. We gotta let it dry up a little bit, and we're gonna put a clear coat on it and call it a day. We're gonna turn it over and start do another video on how to put on a tough coat on the inside. We're gonna use tough coat, but right now that's what it looks like. All red, white, and blue. Can't go wrong with red, white, and blue. There it is right there. Looking pretty good, huh? Do a 360 here. Yeah, that's what it looks like right now. Freshly painted. Right now I got a primer, 2 coats of white, 2 coats of blue, and 2 coats of red. It's all in there. And next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna clear coat it. We're gonna turn it over and start working on the inside. We'll talk to you later. Okay, here we go. Finished product on the outside. All we gotta do is put our decals on and flip it around and put some tough coat on the inside and call it a day. Get out and do some fishing. But anyway, that's what it looks like. Clear coated. Finished. Anyway, anytime you want to buy an aluminum boat, you better check out the bottom. Everything looks good from the outside, but tell you what, I flipped that bottom over, found a whole bunch of hairline cracks, and it can cause some real issues later on. What we did was we sanded it down, welded it, primed it, put a couple of coats, and painted it. That's all we did. Use professional products from Rust-Oleum. That's what I used. But anyway, hey, the next video will be applying the top coat on the inside. All right, thank you very much. Please subscribe, share, and like, and hope I was able to help you guys out on your project next time. Thank you.